Oh my gosh, I'm home from work. Oh, hey, CDBB. Oh, hi, CDBB. Oh, okay, just come on in my lap. There you go. Okay. This is my life. I'm still a little under the weather. This sickness is just not going away fast enough. But we're home tonight, and Matt had a really tough day at work. He's exhausted. I'm tired. I don't want to do anything either. So we're trying to think about what to do for dinner. I have some rotisserie chicken in the fridge that I can play with and some other ingredients. So I'm gonna kind of go online and just see what I can kind of find and come up with that would be maybe easy, maybe some kind of like casserole something or something. That's what I do a lot of times is I just kind of check to see what kind of ingredients I have in the fridge, and then I'll just Google it online and kind of see what I come up with for some kind of fun dinner. So let's see what I come up with. My little mixer out. Do you know what I'm gonna make? I'm gonna make chicken pot pie. But do you know what I'm also gonna do? I'm also gonna order pizza because we decided that we're kind of hungry right now and we don't wanna wait that long to eat. So we ordered pizza, and I'm going to cook and prep that chicken pot pie tonight so we can have it for dinner tomorrow night. It's just gonna all work out so swimmingly. Oh, hi. I'm making the pie crust from scratch, so I'm adding 1.5 cups of flour. Then I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar, and we're gonna mix that. Then we're adding the butter. Then I add 1 more cup of flour. Mix again. I changed my little mixing tool so it would not get stuck inside. The recipe said it should look broken up and a little crumbly, and I think that does. Now it says to add 4 tablespoons of ice water. And then we're just gonna work it with a spatula. It says press the dough into itself. Okay, so it said it was done when you can pinch it and it stays together. So it says work it into a ball. And to cut it in half, and then to make little discs out of it. Then we're going to wrap it in saran wrap. I'm going to stick it in the fridge for at least an hour. Okay, I'm just cooking the potatoes a little bit just so when they go in the pot pie, they won't be hard in the middle at any point. They should cook down. Then I cooked up some chopped onions and some garlic and some butter. And then we're gonna add the thyme and salt, the parsley and black pepper. And we're gonna add the heavy cream. And then the 1 3/4 cup of stock for chicken broth. We're actually using turkey stock that we made from Thanksgiving that we used with the turkey bones, and we cooked it down. Oh my gosh. So this is going to be extra tasty. So we cooked the turkey stock for 48 hours, and then we froze it in bags like this, and then I just melted it down and threw it on in. It's going to be so good. And then most pot pies actually have celery in it, but I don't have any celery right now, so we're gonna use some celery seeds. And then we also can't forget to whisk in the flour. Then I added in the rotisserie chicken, and then I'm gonna add in the potatoes in just a second, and then I'm gonna roll out the pie crust and build the chicken pot pie. Oh, a lot of chicken pot pies have like peas, which I hate, and they have carrots and celery, which I just don't have any of, and normally I'd throw them in. So this pot pie isn't gonna look very colorful, but it's gonna be super tasty. So there's onions, chicken, and potatoes, which, let's be honest, don't we all kind of pick out the vegetables just a little bit? Like, we never ever finish all the veggies that are in the chicken pot pie. I'm just saying. chicken pot pie with turkey stock. I'm so excited to bake this in the oven tomorrow, and now dinner is done for tomorrow. Yay! On a side note, I had a little bit left over. I didn't want to fill it too full, so I took some out. I just don't want it to spill over in the oven. And Matt tasted it, and he said it might have been the best thing he's ever tasted that I've cooked. I've made a lot of tasty things. I'm just letting you know. We're really excited about this. And then with the leftover insides, I just decided to make 2 little tiny ones. Look how cute these little pie tins are. They're the cutest. They're so tiny, individual serving, kind of like the ones you'd get at the store, like the Marie Calendar ones. So I'm just gonna take these and wrap them up and stick them in the freezer. And they will be good for a later date and time. I mean, might as well do stuff with the extra crust and the extra insides, right? Nothing goes to waste.